Hi friends, this is my terrace garden. It's so beautiful, so amazing. I like my garden very much. I spend every day minimum 2 hours in my garden. Then I get very as positive energy and I feel very active all over the day. Um, I have so many plants in my garden and I love my garden. I spend that much of time because of my health point of view. I get more and more vegetables, fruits, and leaves also, leafy vegetables. This is new plant I keep in my garden. How long is this? It's so attractive. It's attracting me a lot in my garden. It's so interesting working as a gardener in my garden. I have to keep more and more plants. I purchased so many seeds from online. I will cultivate. I want to cultivate so many seeds because of I want to give organic seeds and I am growing now organic plantation. It's so healthy. That is drumstick. It is neem plant. I have 4 neem plants in my garden. It's very helpful to prevent pesticides in garden. So that's why I am growing. This is total my garden. My husband and me spend every week, morning, evening, weekly once, when he is getting free time. Otherwise, I will take care of this garden. It's so interesting. Thank you.